just can't believe this is the same old GSXR that I have.
Hello guys, long-awaited video. So for this one, it will be the last part of Suzuki project. As you can see, I already prepared the fuel tank grips are on, also the sticker that I don't know how to call it. I also got the quad lock. It's not only great for my phone but also for my camera. I got one comment that one guy wanted to know what kind of accessories and tools I use for filming, but I think I will show you everything maybe in the next vlog. We will see. I can't promise anything because you know me. I got the plastics. I will not show you them right now, but if you want the spoiler, that's my nails. That's the most you can get right now. And I already told you about the mirrors. I was deciding to put the original ones or Rizoma type ones, and my friend managed to save them. So he painted them and also darkened the turn signals as well as the tail light. One of my friends made carbon parts for me. If you want to make them in Kaunas, I will leave all the details down below so you can contact him. And also, we got the present for the garage. So firstly, I will show you everything and then we will go to the most fun part, my Suzuki. We got this 3D Ducati sign from 3D Decor. I will also leave the link down below if you want to purchase it, or something similar, something maybe more nicer for your garage or your living room. I don't know, you can put it anywhere you want. And the best part is that it lights up. So that's very nice thing and very nice touch for our garage. That's how it looks. I think we all love it. Thank you so much, 3D Decor. And now it's time to go back to Suzuki and finally put all fairings on the bike.
I just can't believe this is the same old Gixxer that I have. I just freaking love it. I actually really like the carbon parts. My friend who made them messaged me quite a few times to ask me if I really like them, and trust me, Dominicas, I do. It gives a little bit of to the design, you know. What do you guys think? Do you love it, or maybe you would change something? So leave a comment down below. Please don't write anything bad, don't ruin my mood. I'm just kidding, that's impossible right now. And of course this project wouldn't be complete without a lot of people. So first of all, a huge thank you for my teammates who helped me to complete it, and of course for their patience. You know, they had to teach me how to use all of the tools in the garage, so I'm very glad to have them in my team. And for my sponsors, Propel Organics, Metal Tema, Pjūklo Broliai, Inoxa, who made the design happen, of course Sticker Lab, who made the coolest stickers, especially this one that you already saw. I love it. And the biggest thank you is for the Gritos Welding, who was there from the very beginning and made my dream come true, my dream of racing. So a huge, huge thank you to you. And yeah, I think for now that's it. I will continue enjoying my very cold ride with my friends. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and as always, kisses. Bye. Kodėl taip padarai?